Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof. John et on va parler d'unité 6, leçon B. So as I told you in the previous video, each unit is divided into two lessons, so lesson A and lesson B. I already talked about lesson A surprise, and right now we are going to talk about lesson 6 B, très chic. Donc, what we have here? Again, we have an overview and the learning and assignments. And the overview is presenting you what are the objectives of this lesson. So, let's check them out. Qu'est-ce que l'on va apprendre ici? We are going to demonstrate appropriate use and comprehension of the terms related to clothing, shopping, and colors. Demonstrate developing use and comprehension of use of open and closed vowels. Demonstrate appropriate use and comprehension of indirect object pronouns. And describe and demonstrate comprehension of simple statement using regular and irregular RE verbs in present and passé composé. Donc, in this lesson 6b, we will learn vocabulary focused on clothing and shopping. We will also learn practice the pronunciation of open and closed vowels. And you will learn how to identify and use indirect object pronouns as well as some regular and irregular RE verbs that are the irregular groups. Here you are going to have this video, so no worries. Then we have the learning activities. So, these activities, basically, again, you have to read some pages of the VHL ebook or textbook if you have the physical one, and then you're going to complete some activities on VHL. So read and practice the vocabulary, then complete the vocabulary activities. Also, read the section leçon les lettres that are related to speaking, pronunciation, and spelling, and then complete the corresponding activities. Also, read structures 6BA that are related to indirect object pronouns, double check them out and complete the corresponding activities. And finally, complete the structure 6B2 that are related to regular and irregular RE verbs. And then complete the corresponding activities. In this lesson, we don't have activities on D2L, so no worries. But make sure for the next section. So, once you finish lesson A and lesson B, you are required to review the content we study for the quiz. So we're going to pass to review for Unit 6 quiz. So what is here? There are here the step-by-steps. You are going to review the grammar and vocabulary listed below. They are optional, but highly recommended because the more you refresh it, the easier it's going to be when you are taking the quiz. Also, complete the quiz review. Yes, there is the quiz review here that is called practice quiz. And then you just have to complete it because it's graded by completion. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. So no worries. And then once you submit it, make sure to review the answer key and compare it with your submission. Why this is important? You learn by comparing your previous assignments with the expected answers. So, and you can learn from it. Also, take the quiz on VHL. Yeah, there is no limit, there is no time limit, so you can complete it by the due date. It's open book, so you can use class notes, and remember that external resources are not allowed. Once you finish all this section, you can take the quiz, Unit 6. Then the last thing you have is the culture part. What is here? So you are going to have among 2-3 readings regarding the culture, and the idea is that you can demonstrate knowledge of Francophone and French celebrations such as Carnival, Le 14 Juillet, and fashion. So finally, you will learn about some interesting aspects of French culture related to Independence Day, Le 14 Juillet, carnivals, and of course fashion. You have to complete some readings in the cultural section of the ebook, and then you are going to complete some activities in VHL. After that, you are done with Unit 6. And that's all. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. And remember that you should complete the VHL assignments according to each day. If there is a case that you cannot complete it because you are busy or there is a schedule conflict or maybe you forgot, no worries, let me know. Keep completing them. I know that it's an intensive section and session, so make sure that you can manage a little bit better your time, and I can accept your late assignments, but just let me know. Yeah, and that's all. Merci tout le monde. Au revoir.